Hey Saber fans, Tony here from 89Sabers, and today I've got another install review for you. If you're new to the channel, I do install these, repair them, and update them, so please like, comment, and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get into it. This is an 89Sabers K4v2. This is Ben Kenobi's lightsaber as first built for A New Hope. And so it's a very nice install. The customer had purchased the commission from me, and Corbanth had just run out of these hilts, and so it was my job to scour, the internet and find the exact hilt that he wanted. And so I had found a 89Sabers exact build, the K4v2. It was not previously installed; it was just empty, and so I bought off Facebook Marketplace. There's a lot of good forums on there. Definitely go check it out. But it has normal Neopixel connector in there. It has two tactile switches here and here, your power, and then your aux. And then for this build, unscrew this. It does have a hidden screw that I drilled to hold the chassis into place, and so you'll use your retention screw or Allen key and untighten this just enough, and you can have full access to your proffie USB and SD card. You got your 2.1 recharge port and your 28mm wow speaker or bass speaker. So it's very, very loud. It has hidden vented pommels here. You can kind of see they're in that little lip there. This has about 10 fonts, including the rainbow blade. There's a line that I had kind of drawn with a pencil. You want to line it up there. Too much in, you get not enough sound, and then too much out, it doesn't have retention, because there's a spot right on the chassis that the retention screw hits, and so you want to hit that perfectly, or else you don't have good retention on the chassis. So you want to line it up with that hole. Unscrew real quick. And you also want to make sure that you're threaded enough that you want to pass the threading on the pommel, and so of course you don't want to mess up the threading either, so backtrack, and then you're good to go. So without further ado, let's show off the fonts. Alright, so first up we've got Commander Tano by K4v2.
Hello, Master. It's been a while.
Solid blue blade. So you've got your power up top and your aux on bottom with these two switches. Tap to turn on and off. Tap aux, blasters. Now you can hold either or and clash for lockup. Or force effects, hold down for 2 seconds, let go. Now multi-blast, you hold the aux for 2 seconds, let go. Could be a false blast, and you just swing it. Now to get out of it, you tap it once more, and then boom, you're good. Now for lightning block, you hold power, tap aux. For color change, you hold aux, tap power. You can rotate to whatever color. Let's do a red. And then for tracks, you hold the power button down for 2 seconds while the saber is vertical, or you can turn it off while the saber is off for 2 seconds. And so, yeah. Now that was Race to the Surface by Kevin Kiner. Next up,
Ray Skywalker.
it's Scavenger's Destiny by K4v2. Yellow blade. Blasters. Next up, this is the Rise of Skywalker Graflex. It's a nice light blue. Next up,
Second Sister.
this is Second Sister by K4v2. So you've got a nice FET 263 Second Sister blade style here with the emitter flare. Track for this, I believe, does not have a track. Next up, I believe this is Dark Ray, if I'm not mistaken, or Darkness by K4v2. Yeah. Force effect. up, Kyberphonics Unstable V2. Oh, V1, I'm mistaken. That's Kylo's track on it. Next up.
If you will not turn to the dark side, then perhaps she will.
The Return by Kyberphonic. Force effects. Track for this is Return of the Jedi. Or bar scene, I should say. Next up,
Obi Wan Kenobi.
Obi 4 by Kyberphonic.
Step into a larger work. Move along. Hello there. The Force will be with you. Always.
Next up, Father by Kyberphonic.
Give yourself to the dark side. You don't know the power of the dark side.
Next up, this is Battle by Kyberphonic. Next up, oh, this is the track.
Prepare a boarding party.
You got your passive battery monitor, and then your party blade. So that includes the K4v2 install. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope the customer enjoys it. Have a wonderful day, and may the Force be with you.